Japanese garden in Fort Worth. So this place is just actually neighbored with the different kinds of garden here in Fort Worth. Siya nga pala, we paid $7 each to get in this Japanese garden. This is the place, guys, na I'm looking forward to spend for an older years of mine. But now just have to deal with our situation that we have to be in the city, right? We have to be in the city for now because my babe can't live in the forest. No, he said he can as long as there's a high-speed internet connection. You know, he is a software engineer, guys. I don't think so. Can you live without using the internet for like a month or a week, babe? What is the shortest that you can deal with?
You mean the longest?
Yeah.
I don't know. I went how many days at your sister's house?
Now we stayed for three days, right? No, or was it a week? No, 3 days only. We stayed in Leyte. That there's really no good connection. Here you go. There's so many koi right here. That's a large one. There's a large koi. Looks like tilapia. They're so huge, guys. Ang sarap nila isubo. Every time na makakita ako ng mga ganyang fish, like, it's so huge, look fresh. I miss yung sinugba na hindi ko na siya natikman simula nang dumating ako dito. Na fresh talaga? No! No! Right, babe? My babe doesn't eat fish. No, he eats fish, but he eats salmon only. Is to be able to visit Japan, babe, right?
Hike.
Hike! It's video, babe.